Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Elliptic Crypto Compliance Review My Usage Experience. Elliptic Crypto Compliance Review My Usage Experience offers automated screening and risk assessment for cryptocurrency transactions. Its main purpose is to help businesses comply with anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations when dealing with digital currencies. The target audience is businesses and financial institutions operating in the crypto space. Key features likely include transaction monitoring, risk scoring, and reporting tools. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Elliptic's positioning is as a leading provider of crypto compliance solutions. Benefits include improved regulatory compliance, reduced risk of financial penalties, and streamlined operational efficiency. The website highlights their advanced technology and large database of known illicit activity. Pricing details are available on their website. They don't appear to advertise any contracts. Availability is global, catering to businesses of all sizes operating internationally. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Elliptic Crypto Compliance Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was relatively straightforward. The onboarding process was well documented, and I was able to integrate the API into my existing systems within a couple of hours. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed transaction details, risk scores, and generated reports. I particularly like the customizable reporting features, allowing me to tailor the data to our specific needs. The performance was excellent. Processing large batches of transactions was quick and reliable. I had a quick question regarding a specific flag on a transaction, and their support responded within a day via email. A definite pro was the ease of generating reports, which significantly simplified our compliance audits. One minor drawback was the somewhat steep learning curve for using the advanced screening options. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Elliptic Crypto Compliance Review. It streamlined our compliance efforts, reducing the manual work involved and providing clear insights into potential risks. That's my overview of Elliptic Crypto Compliance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.